I have a factory warranty, so I don't worry about things like that. It's somewhere between 41 and 43. Cortana is so cool. She gets to assist in the Halo games and in real life. Maybe someday I can help out in video games too. Cortana is smart and funny. And I know she lives in Seattle. It's beautiful around there. To organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful, that's my holy grail. My quest is to slay the beasts of ignorance and to search for the most fascinating information. And so are the White Walkers. But I'm a summer child. I know nothing of winter. Are you in pain? How can I help? Sorry, I don't speak bird person. It's a Corellian YT-1300 light freighter owned by a very handsome guy and his friend Han Solo. When someone gives you candy, it's hard to question their existence. It is. What a mean trick. If you tell someone there's cake, there should be cake. Okay, energize. Did it work? I'd like to meet this Scotty. I hear a lot about him. He must be a busy guy. Sludge. Slime. A garbage can overflowing with waste. Body odor. Plaque. 3-month-old mustard stains.